Hey guys, welcome to my masterclass. I believe that you guys should have seen lots of fantastic video that was uploaded by my professional marketing classmate. And they mentioned lots about the 4Ps, which I think is really important to conduct a successful marketing. But I would like to talk about the basis of the 4P, the basis of every marketing strategy, which is the SWOT analysis. When we are talking about the SWOT analysis, we are trying to find out the strengths, the weakness, the opportunity, the threat of our company that is facing now. And it's really important since the SWOT analysis, during the time that you are conducting the SWOT analysis, you need to look at the market, you need to look at the competitors, and this research will describe you a picture of what the real market now is. It might be contrast with your imagination of the market, but the reality is really important to build a authentic analysis. In my stand, and I think the SWOT analysis is really important to look at the reason that is beneath the phenomenon. For example, people like fried food, and people don't prefer those kind of healthy and vegetarian food that much. Why? Somebody might suggest that, it's because the fried food, the fried chicken, the fried, everything is so delicious. But why will we feel that it's delicious? It's because of the fat within and the carbohydrate that it contains. During the process of frying some food, all the oil will be absorbed into the crust, and it contains a lot of fat. And the crust will consist of the carbohydrate, which make you feel full and satisfied. But why? Why this kind of fat and carbohydrate will make us satisfied? We need to learn it from an evolution perspective. In the ancient time, human as a species need to survive, right? And there was not constant supply of food during that time. Maybe one day we'll have no food, and the other day we'll find something to eat. Therefore, our body, in order to keep us survive, will drive us to eat something that contains more carbohydrate, that contains more fat, that contains more sugar, which can be stored as energy and preserve the survival of human species. Therefore, we find out that when we are trying to promoting healthy diet, we are not competing with the industry that sells fried food, sells the food that contains lots of fat and carbohydrate. We are competing with the human nature, the human instinct. Then our strategy maybe should take another stand rather than simply competing with fried food from the perspective of the flavor. As we all know, humans are species that can be educated, that can challenge their own instincts by their moral standard. We have to admit, I would say I have to admit, sometimes I feel like I'm very aggressive. When I see something cute, I might feel like, it's so cute, but I want to destroy it. And that's a psychological effect, I remember. It shows that sometimes when you are seeing something that's really cute, you feel so good, and your brain tell you that it's wrong, don't be like that. So you give you some evil thought to balance out the feeling. Back to our topic. So when we find out that we are fighting with the instinct of human beings, we need to stand on another point, on another perspective. We need to educate the consumer. We need to let them know that the healthy diet is not only for us, it's not only for now, it's for the future, for the whole species, for the whole planet, for the any other species that you may like, the cats, the dogs that survive in the earth. Because every single action of us as a human species may affect the world strongly. We might not know, but it will affect the world strongly. Therefore, when we look at the essence beneath the phenomenon, we will understand more about how to persuade others, how to let them know that our product is better or our product is beneficial, not only for now and for the future. And that's a point that SWOT analysis should generate, to go deep, go very, very deep, go find the essence of a phenomenon, try to find a standpoint on the essence, and let others know the value that we want to convey. The product is the phenomenon. The things beneath is the value that we want to convey. We want to protect the earth. And at that time, I think you will be able to conduct a really great SWOT analysis. Thank you guys. See you next time.